Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I am very excited to get a chance to share a few words about the National Constitution Day of our country. Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, Constitution of India and it came into effect on the 26th January 1950. This day is also celebrated to pay tribute to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was the first law minister of India and also known as the father of the India Constitution. Thank you.
Father of our Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
The Constitution is the foundation of the democracy. The Indian Constitution is carrying a remarkable history. It is one of the biggest constitutions in the world because the creator of the Constitution took essence from the British, Japanese and American Constitution. The Indian Constitution is an amalgamation of the best of the constitution of the world. The Constitutional Assembly met for 166 days before the Constitution was adopted. When the draft was prepared and put for debate and discussion, over 2000 amendments were made before it was finalized. Thank you.
As we have already come to know that today is the Constitution Day, but a lot of question arises about what is actually Constitution. So today I am here to explain you what actually Constitution signifies. Constitution is a document containing principles and law according to which a nation, a state or a social group needs to work. It also explains the function of the government and the rights and duties of the common people. It sets the system on which a nation needs to work. Like in our country India and many other democratic countries, the Constitution ensures that the people have right over the government. Some of the salient features or the fundamental features of the Constitution are right to speak, right for freedom, right for religion, right for education and so on.
তুমি পুরাণকে বলো ইতিহাস, ইতিহাসকে বলো পুরানো। তোমার কাজ শিক্ষাকে লাঠি পেটা করে মূর্খের জ্বালা জুড়ানো। তোমার ভক্তিতে দাদু রক্তের তুমি কাউকে ভালোবাসো না। তুমি নেশাতি করতে এসেছো দেশপ্রেমের কিছুই জানো না, তুমি জানো না, তুমি জানো না। তুমি বহু দূর দূর বহু দূর দূর বহু দূর বেড়ে গিয়েছো। বীর্যের রস কিলু থেকে তুমি সবটুকু শুষে নিয়েছো। তোমার কোনো 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 কথা শোনো না আর। যথেষ্ট বুঝি কিসে ভালো হবে নিজেদের মতো ভাববো। আমি অন্য কোথাও যাব না, আমি এই দেশেতেই থাকবো। जब जुल्मों सितम के कोहे गड़ा, जब जुल्मों सितम के कोहे गड़ा, रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे, रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे, हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे। তুমি বহু দূর দূর বহু দূর দূর বহু দূর বেড়ে গিয়েছো।
Constitution Day on 19th November 2015 via Gazette rectification. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, made the declaration on 11th October 2015 while laying the foundation stone of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's Statue of Equality Memorial in Mumbai. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the Drafting Committee of India in the Constituent Assembly and played a pivotal role in the drafting of the Constitution. And the year of 2021 marked the 13th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Previously, this day was observed as Law Day, but however, 26 November was chosen to mark the importance of the Constitution Day as well as to mark the thoughts and ideals of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
करो कुछ ऐसा कि देश का सम्मान बढ़ जाए, मरो कुछ ऐसे कि तिरंगे की शान बढ़ जाए, भरो पिचकारी तीनों रंगों से कि तन पर पड़े तो हिंदुस्तान बन जाए. Being born as an Indian is a blessing. To celebrate this blessing, Constitution Day is one such occasion. On this day, the Constitution came into existence. The Constitution gave direction to grow and prosper. Let us honor those people who sacrificed their life to make India a better place for us and the future generation.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. This was the Constitution our forefathers left us, but the same is now under attack. The sovereign, the socialist, the secular, the democratic India we once knew is under attack. For the ones whose duty it was to secure for all citizens are the ones who have snatched away justice, liberty, equality and our fraternity. But no more.
The Constitution of India has mentioned all the rules, rights and duties towards our nation. So today on the Constitution Day of India, we must pledge to follow and carry all our written rights in the Constitution. We, the future generation of India, should know our responsibility to be a loyal citizen. We must respect our Constitution as it teaches us to be successful and loyal citizens. The Constitution is the pride of our nation, so we must stand by its word. It is the way to be a good citizen. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.